Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, circles part 2. So the part 1 already I have given in the previous video. So let us have a discussion on request of Ranjit Reddy and team from Karimnagar. So most of the students are requesting to make that more videos from circles and system of circles. So that is the reason I'm making the videos for the convenience of the students. Let us have a discussion. The first question: the number of circles touching all the lines. Here 3 lines is given. So second question is also same category. How to solve this type of problems in the examination if it comes? First, the given lines in the in the coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis, no? This is x dash, y dash. First line x, here I am writing x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. If you write this equation in the intercept form, x plus y is equal to 1. That 1 we can take this side, x by 1 plus y by 1 equal to 1 only, no? That means it is in the form of x by a plus y by a, y by b equal to 1. Both are positive means first quadrant. So this line x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 is this one. You extend like this. This is x plus y, here I am writing, is equal to 1 or minus 1 equal to 0. Now come to the second line. X minus y minus 1 equal to 0. X minus y equal to 1, dividing by 1. X by 1 plus minus y by 1 equal to 1. So x by 1 plus y by minus 1 equal to 1. X positive, x intercept positive, y intercept negative. So fourth quadrant. So this is the fourth quadrant. So the line will be like this. So this is x plus x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. And one more equation is given now. What equation is given? Y plus 1 equal to 0. So y plus 1 equal to 0 means y is equal to minus 1. It is in the form of y is equal to k or minus k. Y is equal to k line which is always parallel to x-axis. Suppose here y equal to k value negative parallel to x-axis below the x-axis. Y equal to positive k value above the x-axis. So according to that, here y is equal to minus 1, no? It is parallel to x-axis below x-axis. So this is y is equal to 1 or y plus 1 equal to 0. These lines are intersecting here only, no? This one and this one and this one. This is one line, this is another line, this is third line. Observe carefully. All the lines, this is one line, this is second line, this is third line. Here one circle is possible, touching all the lines. This is the first line, this is the second line, this is the third line. Is it possible to draw this one? This is also one possible now. So this circle touching this line and this line. And this line and this line and this line. Even this is also possible. You draw like this way. This circle touching this line as well as this line as well as this line. And one more possibility, this line and this line and this line. You can draw like this also, no? So total how many number of circles are possible touching all the lines? 4. So in options is not there. I think it is integer type question. That means dash will be there. So the answer is 4. Similar procedure you have to apply for this question also. Here x minus 2y equal to minus 1. X minus 2y equal to minus 1. X by minus 1 minus 2y by minus 1 equal to 1. Minus 1 by minus 1. X by minus 1 plus y by minus 1 by 2. So that means here plus, minus into minus plus. X intercept is negative, y intercept is positive. It should be in the second quadrant. So it will be in the second quadrant. we'll do later. 2x plus y equal to minus 3 dividing by minus 3, x by minus 3 by 2 plus y by minus 3 equal to 1. Direct step I am writing. Both are intercepts, so it will be in the quadrant 3. Come to the third one. 4x minus 8y equal to minus 3 dividing by minus 3, x by minus 3 by 4, minus minus cancel, y by 3 by 8. So again x intercept is negative, y intercept is positive, again it is in quadrant 2. Now draw the rough figure. Two lines, minus 1, 1 by 2, minus 1 is here, 1 by 2 is here. This is one line. So you take, this is equation number 1. Minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 means it will be here. It will be minus 3 by 4 will be here. And 3 by 8 is of positive here, like this. Second line. First line, second line. Third line. This is the second line I am taking. Both are negative. So both are negative means what? So which are intersecting this point, and this point. Just you have to extend this line. This is the third line. This is the first line. This is the second line. Observe that third line. This is the second line. This is the first line. No. So here one circle. These three lines here, one triangle form means it touches all the sides. And equation 2, equation 1. But equation 3 is here. Here not possible. But here, this is equation 2, this is equation 3, this is equation number 1. So it touches all the sides. Even here also, equation 3, equation 2, equation 1, it touches all. So total how many are there here also? 4 possibilities. So therefore, the number of circles touching all the given lines will be 4 in 2 questions. I think this is question number 2, question number 3, whatever is given from the students. Dear students, you think that like this I will explain. No, again I have to rub the board, again I have to write the answer. It will take much time. So the number of questions means please do understand that if possible I will make the videos in the in the tab or in the computer laptop. I will make it. So we'll move on to the next question. Yes, the next question. These two also integer type questions. If a chord of circle x square plus y square equal to 8 makes equal intercept of length a on the coordinate axis, then mod a is less than. So how to get this value? The only circle information is given. Make equal intercepts. A chord is the mentioned. See here, figure is very much required to understand the question. So x square plus y square equal to 8. That means whose circle center is 0, 0, you know. So this is the circle equation. X square plus y square is equal to root 8 whole square. I am writing, dear students. It is in the form of x square plus y square equal to r square. So r is equal to what here? Root 8. And center is 0, 0. This is the standard equation of circle. Standard equation of circle means whose center is 0, 0. Radius is, this is the center, 0, 0. And make a chord of circle make equal intercepts. So this is the chord equation. This is the chord. Here and here it makes. This is A, this is B. AB is a chord. It makes equal intercept. From here to here it is A units. From here to here it is A units. This length is there, no equal intercepts of length A from here and here. These lengths are equal to A. What for we are drawing like this? Sir, why can't take like this? Why we can take like this also? No, we can take it. Equal lengths they are saying here, both are positive. If you take here this one positive, this one negative, but length if you consider even. So this is the line x-intercept is a, y-intercept is a. No, this line will becomes x by a plus y by a equal to 1. After simplifying this equation, x plus y equal to a will come. So that also x plus y minus a equal to 0. This is equation of chord. Equation of chord, dear students. Do you understand this? Equation of chord. What condition is given? Mod a is less than for what value? This line, that means chord, cuts the circle in two different points, no? Whenever the line cuts in the two different points, the distance from, that means perpendicular distance, from center of the circle to this line, this is D, is obviously less than radius. From here to here it is radius. From here to here it is distance. Since the chord x plus y minus a equal to 0, then chord means it cuts in the two different points. Then D is less than A, less than or. What is D? Perpendicular distance from origin to the line. In the first year, perpendicular distance from origin to the line means D equal to mod C by root of A square plus B square. This equation compared with Ax plus By plus C. C is equal to what? Minus A. So D value, mod C. C value is what? Minus A. Mod minus A by root over. Here A value, x coefficient is A, y coefficient is B. A square plus B square, 1 square plus 1 square is less than radius value is how much? Root 8. So mod minus A is A only, is less than root 8 into root 2. That is equal to mod A. Sir, why sir here minus A is there? Here you wrote plus A. Length is always considered. Mod means it will become positive. So mod A is less than root 8 into root 2 is root 16. So mod A is less than root 16 means 4. If you remove this modulus, A is less than plus or minus 4 will come. Otherwise they are asking mod A only, no? This is the answer. But in MCQs if they will give, chances are give like this also. So our answer is less than 4. I hope everyone understand. We'll move on. This is the condition, dear students. This is very, very important. Whenever the chord cuts the circle in two different points. Chord means it cuts in the two different points on the circle or any curve. So whenever this situation happens, D is less than R. Suppose the same question, this touches the circle. Whenever it touches, D is equal to R will come. Now we'll move on to the next question. If the chord y is equal to mx plus 1 of the circle x square plus y square equal to 1 subtends an angle of measure 45 degrees at the major segment of the circle, then m equal to. Here, very, very important question. This is conceptual, it is a good question. This is the circle equation. No? This chord equation, y is equal to mx plus c, I am writing in the form of ax plus by plus c. So mx, y I am taking this side, minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the chord equation. So this chord, if the chord of the circle center is what? Clearly here 0, 0 only, no? Radius is 1 unit, 1 square means 1. From here to here it is radius 1 unit, 1 unit. This chord subtends an angle of measure 45 degrees at the major segment. This is minor segment. This part is major segment. This chord making 45 degrees with the major segment. That means from here to here, this angle is 45 degrees. One of the important plane geometry property. If this angle is theta at the circumference of the circle, at the center, that angle will be double. So here the angle will be 90 degrees. Here 45 degrees, no, it should be double. So 45 means here 45 degrees, here 45 degrees. I hope you understand. Sir, what for you are telling, sir, if they are asking m value? I will. From here, this is AB chord. This length from here to here means indirectly it is the radius only, no? Or value 1. This is the center. This point P I am taking. From this triangle PCB, from triangle PCB, here this angle is 45. Everyone understand? Angle at the major segment is theta. Angle at center is twice of the angle. That means 2 theta. Here 45, here 45. From theta, cos theta value taking. Why I am taking cos theta? Cos 45 degrees. This is the triangle. Angle is here. Whenever angle is here, this is the adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse. Na? So CP divided by CB. CB means radius only, no, CB value is 1. So CP by 1. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. CP. What is CP? CP means perpendicular distance from origin to this line. This line means this only, no. So write it first. CP is equal to 1 by root 2. CP by 1 means CP equal to 1 by root 2. CP, perpendicular distance, that is distance from center of the circle 0, 0 to mx minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So perpendicular distance means again this formula can apply to students. A value is m, b value is minus 1, c value is 1. So mod c by root of a square plus b square is equal to 1 by root 2. C equal to what? From this ax plus by plus c, a value m, c value is what? 1. So 1 by root of a square means m square plus b square minus 1 whole square plus 1 equal to 1 by root 2. Cross multiply. Root 2 is equal to root m square plus 1. Squaring on both sides. 2 equal to m square plus 1. 1 we can take this side. M square equal to 1. M is equal to plus or minus 1. That's what they are asking. M is equal to plus or minus 1. Once you go through here, students, any doubts are there, you can write to my comment box. We'll move on to the next question now. Yeah, the next question is a good question here also. If a straight line through C of minus root 8 comma root 8, minus x coordinate, y coordinate positive, so it will be in the second quadrant. Okay. Making an angle of 135 degrees with the x-axis and cuts the circle x equal to 5 cos theta and y equal to 5 sin theta in points A and B, then the value of AB. So they are asking. Observe carefully, dear students. Here x is equal to 5 cos theta, y is equal to 5 sin theta. Indirectly circle equation is given. By observing these equations, x is equal to 5 cos theta. It is in the form of x is equal to r cos theta. Next, y is equal to 5 sin theta. It is in the form of y is equal to r sin theta. Parametric equation of the circle. Squaring on both sides. X square equal to r square cos square theta. Y square equal to r square sin square theta. After that we can add both. So x square plus y square equal to r square take common, sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 now. So if you do the same thing for this, r is equal to what? 5. Substitute. X square plus y square equal to 5 square. This is the circle equation, we got it, whose center is 0, 0, radius is 5. Okay, first draw the figure also. This is the circle equation. If a straight line through minus root 8 comma root 8, here will be minus root 8 comma plus root 8. straight line through the point C. This is the point C, dear students. Like this it will be. Not exact diagram, just exact diagram, correct diagram only. You can draw like this. It makes 135 degrees. Understand that. Here 90 plus here also 90. 135 degrees. 90 from here to here plus 45. 90 plus 45, 135 degrees. So whenever theta is there, this is the point is given. This line we need to calculate x1, y1. Theta is 135. Whenever theta is 135, we can calculate the slope. M is equal to tan theta. Tan 135. Tan of 90 plus 45. Minus cot 45. So minus 1. So m value minus 1. x1, y1 point. Equation of line will come now. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Dear students, you remember, circle means not only this first year concept we are applying here. Point slope form. Everywhere you should be perfect in the competitive exams. Not only in EAMCET, JEE means EAMCET. So y minus y1 value is root 8. Y minus root 8. M value minus 1. X minus of minus root 8 plus root 8. So now simplification. Y minus root 8 equal to minus x minus root 8. Both sides minus root 8 get cancelled. So y is equal to minus x. It is in the form of y is equal to mx. The line y is equal to mx is always passing through the origin. You remember. This line is always passing through the origin. Obviously this is also passing through the center only, no origin. Center of the circle is what? 0, 0. Center of the circle is 0, 0. Whenever the line passing through the center, it is absolutely diameter. This is passing through this point, but this point is not lying on that. So this AB is the diameter only, no? Here radius, what we got it? Radius is equal to 5. Diameter AB is equal to, they are asking AB length. This line which cuts the circle in points A and B respectively, they said. And AB distance they are asking. From here to here radius is 5 units. From here to here radius is 5 units. 5 plus 5, 10. AB is equal to diameter twice of the radius. So 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. Understand that? We'll move on to the next question. So the answer is 10. AB is equal to 10 units. The next question, dear students. In the competitive examinations, the questions very logically they will ask, dear students. See here, by observing this question, just one or twice or thrice you read the question thoroughly. What is given, what we need to calculate. If the tangent at the point P on the circle, if the tangent at the point P on the circle meets the line 5x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0 at the point Q on y-axis. Here twist is there. Tangent for the circle, it meets the line on y-axis. Then PQ equal to. So this is the circle equation. Here the point P is there. That point P. We don't know the point. And the line 5x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0 at the point Q, which meets the, at the point P on the circle, meets the line. This is the tangent equation. Meets that line 5x minus 2y plus 6 on y-axis. This is the tangent equation only. 5x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0, which meets on y-axis. So this is x-axis, y-axis. Or is it? This line meets on y-axis at which point? Q. On y-axis, which coordinate is 0? X coordinate is 0. x is equal to 0, substitute in this. That implies x is equal to 0, substitute in this. What happens? Minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. That implies 2y equal to 6. Y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. You got this point now? From here to here, for this circle, what is this circle? S is equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 6y minus 2. I did not write options here, students. You can check that. For this circle, from this point to this point, this is called length of tangent. From here to here, it is called length of tangent. What is the formula for length of tangent? LT equal to root S11. That is equal to root x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 6y1 minus 2. What is x1, y1? This is x1, this is y1. So wherever x1 is there, replace with 0, y1 is there 3. 0, 9, 0, 6 3 is 18 minus 2. So root over 18 plus 9, 27, 27 minus 2. 25, root 25, that is equal to 5. Therefore, the length of tangent from, that means indirectly it is a PQ. From the figure it is PQ. So PQ equal to 5. Still any doubt is there, you can write to my comment box, I will help you students. So the answer is 5. In one of the option, we have 5. I did not write options, dear students. I hope you understand that. We will move on to the next question now. The next question is, the lengths of tangents drawn from any point on the circle 15x square plus 15y square minus 48x plus 64y equal to 0 to the circles. So the figure will come like this, dear students. This is the first circle. On this circle, you are taking one point. From this point to length of tangents taking for the another two circles from here to this ratio they are asking. PT1 is length of first from this point we don't know. From here to here, from here to here, that ratio they are asking. Dear students, you remember in this circle, first equation of circle, this is the big circle now. Whenever like this big values is given, little logic they will apply. So what is the logic behind this? In this equation of first equation of circle, constant term is not there. 15x square plus 15y square minus 48x plus 64y. So there is no constant. Whenever in the given equation of circle, constant is absent, constant is not available, this circle is obviously passing through the origin. That means this circle passing through the origin. So first circle. So from this point to this circle, first circle, find the length of tangent. This is the first circle, means here S you take, this is S, this is S dash. Find out PT1 length I am taking. PT1 length of tangent from, this is x1, y1, dear students. Do you understand why we are taking 0, 0? This circle not containing the constant, so this circle is passing through the origin. Here condition is given, the lengths of tangents drawn from any point on the circle. Any point means it is passing through the origin only, no? From this point to this circle, length of tangent PT1, root S11, that is equal to root of first circle equation 5x1 square. Whenever it is not in the general form, but you write it like this, nothing will happen. 5x1 square plus 5y1 square minus 24x1 plus 32y1 plus 75. In place of x1, y1, 0, 0. So what happens? This is root 75. We can write it as root of 25 into 3. So that is equal to 5 root 3. Okay na? So PT1 we want. Next PT2 also we want. So PT2 equal to root of S dash double 1. Second circle. This one you can take, dear students. So root over 5x1 square plus 5y1 square minus 48x1 plus 64y1 plus 300. In place of x1, y1 again 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, all zeros except this one. So root 300. 300 means can we write like this? 100 into 3. 100 we can take outside 10. 10 root 3. So this is PT2. They are asking this ratio. PT1 is to PT2. So 5 root 3 is to 10 root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. 5 is to 10. 1 is to 2. So the required ratio is 1 is to 2. Do you understand this? This is called length of tangent, LT. So length of tangent, the same concept. Two questions, different question they are asking. Okay, we'll move on to the next question, students. The next question. Equations of circles which touch both the axes and whose centers are at a distance of 2 root 2 units from origin are. Equations of circles which touch both the axes. That means x-axis and y-axis. That also not only positive x-axis, positive y-axis, but also negative x-axis, negative y-axis also are at a distance of 2 root 2 units from the origin. So the figure will come like this, dear students. Coordinate axis. Equation of circle which touches both the coordinate axis, they are saying now. So one circle, just roughly I am showing that. Not the artist, just for your convenience I am making. The circle may be like this, or the circle may be like this, or the circle may be like this. Touching both the coordinate axis only, no. Or the circle may be like this. So any of the circles may be answer. So that's why plus or minus possibilities are given. Whenever the circle touches x-axis and y-axis. So this is the center of the circle, no? From here to here distance, obviously radius. Am I right? I am taking here r comma r in the coordinate system. If the point P is taking x comma y, from here to here distance is equal to y units, from here to here distance is x units. That is the reason the point x comma y we are writing. So here radius is r, here also radius is r. First coordinate both are positive. Second coordinate, this one is minus r plus r, minus r minus r, plus r minus r. But the question is, this is r comma r, this is origin, no? The distance from origin to this center is equal to how many units? 2 root 2. The circles which touches both the coordinate axis whose centers are at a distance from here to here, from here to here, even here also I will write it here, students. This is plus r comma minus r. This is minus r comma minus r. This is r comma minus r. If you start practicing the questions, it will be very interesting. But focus on that. What concept involved in the question? Twice or thrice you read the question thoroughly, dear students. So from here to here distance 2 root 2. Even from here to here distance also 2 root 2. Even from here to here also 2 root 2. We'll take the help of this one. Origin to this center C I am taking. So OC is equal to 2 root 2. What is OC? Distance from origin to R comma R only, no? So root of R minus 0 whole square plus R minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 root 2. So root of 2R square is equal to 2 root 2. Squaring on both sides. So what will come here? So 2R square is equal to 4 into 2, 8. So R square is equal to 4. Keep it like this only. Center H comma K, radius R is there. Equation of circle will come now. X minus H whole square plus plus Y minus K whole square equal to R square. Suppose these two are positive. This one is positive, negative. Both are negative. Both are. So here plus or minus cases will come here, dear students. Here plus or minus cases. So H value, K value both are R only, no? So R square equal to 4 means R is obviously 2. So X plus or minus 2 whole square plus Y plus or minus 2 whole square equal to R square value is 4. So X square plus 4 plus or minus 4X. Y square plus 4 plus or minus 4Y is equal to 4. So one of the 4 cancel. X square plus Y square plus or minus 4X plus or minus 4Y plus 4 equal to 0, which is the required equation of circle whose centers are at a distance of 2 root 2 units from the origin. So it is there absolutely in the first option, dear students. I hope everyone understand that. We'll move on to the next question. Dear students, the next question also same category question, but at a distance of 1 unit from the origin is given. So from here to here, how many units? Only 1 unit, dear students. So from here to here is 1 unit, from here to here, from here to here 1 unit. So OC is equal to 1 now. Radius is obviously same. So 2R square is equal to. So R square is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute only, even these are not the options for that. Another question option, just I will write it. One circle which touches both the coordinate axis means positive only will consider. So X, so R value is what? 1 by root 2 only now. 1 by root 2. So X plus X minus 1 by root 2 whole square plus Y minus 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square. So X square plus Y square plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here minus 2 into X into 1 by root 2 minus 2 into Y into 1 by root 2 is equal to here 1 by 2. So both sides 1 by 2 1 by 2 get cancelled. X square plus Y square, here root 2 times will be, even here also root 2 times will be. So minus root 2x minus root 2y. So here 1 by 2 equal to 0. So take LCM. 2x square plus 2y square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 2y plus 1 equal to 0. This is our required answer. We'll move on to the next question. The next question. The locus of midpoints of chords of circle x square plus y square equal to r square having a constant length 2l is, options are given. So this is the circle equation. X square plus y square is equal to r square. That means whose center is 0, 0, radius is r. Locus of midpoints is given, midpoint of the chord. This is chord AB, whose length is given what? AB is equal to 2l units is given. So midpoint of chords, this point I am taking as midpoint of chord P of H comma K. P of H comma K is the midpoint of the chords. Center of the circle is what? 0 comma 0. Center C. From here to here it is the radius of, obviously. Even from here to here is also radius. This is radius, this is radius. AB length is equal to 2L units. Whenever P is midpoint of the chords, P is midpoint. So P is midpoint. Then AP is equal to PB. So AB can be written as AP plus PB. So whenever these two are equal, either PB or AP you can write now. So AP plus AP. So AB is equal to 2 times of AP. So 2L is equal to 2AP. L is equal to AP. So AP value we got it. Or even BP also both are same. That is also equal to PB or BP. Okay. So from here to here it is L. From here to here is also L. We observe that this is the right angle triangle now. So from triangle PBC is right angle from figure. So Pythagoras theorem if you apply, PB square plus PC square is equal to CB square. So PB means what? L square. PC. So distance between these two. So H minus 0 whole square plus K square is equal to CB means what? R square. So L square we can take this side, H square plus K square is equal to R square minus L square. So locus of midpoints, midpoint what we have taken H comma K. Locus means whenever locus of midpoints, that midpoint we have taken as H comma K is the midpoint. So H comma K we can treat as X comma Y. Whenever locus mentioned, no, wherever H is there X, wherever K is there Y. So we can write it as X square plus Y square is equal to R square minus L square, which is the required locus, R square minus L square. It is there in the second option, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. The next question, dear students. The number of positions of point P such that angle APB equal to 90 degrees and area of triangle is 5 units, where A and B values are 1, 2, 1, 6. Number of positions of the point P. Options are not given, that's why I did not write. So how to calculate is just generally according to the question you draw the figure. Triangle APB is a right angle triangle now. So P is at right angle. So this is the position of the point P. So this is at right angle 90 degrees. A, P, B. Okay. A value 1, 2 is given. B value 1, 6 is given. P is some point. After that, distance between these two if you calculate, whenever it is a triangle, this is the base, this is the base, this is the height. This is height, this is base. From here to here it is. So this is PD is the height. So AB is equal to base, that is equal to square root of 1 minus 1, 0. So 6 minus 2 whole square. So 16, that is equal to root 16 equal to 4. So base. Height we don't know. So PD is equal to height. That is equal to H I am taking. But this area is given 5 units now. Area of triangle APB is equal to half into base into height. So that is equal to this value is 5. Half into base value we got it as 4. Into height we don't know. So 2 ones, 2 twos. 2 we can take this side. 5 by 2 is equal to H. That means 2.5 is equal to H. Based on this we decide that whether the point P exists or not, number of positions it will come or not. Suppose if you draw the figure of radius, this height is, the total distance is 4, from here to here it is 2 units only, no? Even from here to here it is 2 units. But it is more than 2 units we are getting. From here to here it is more than 2 units. So whenever h value is greater than 5 by 2, h value is greater than radius, like from here to here. Therefore, no point will be exist. No point P will be there. So no point will be there means there is no such points. So no points are available. No point P will be there. No point. 0 points. Number of points means number of positions of P means so 0. The number of positions of P is 0. So this is the answer, dear students. They did not given it. I think it is numerical type questions. The answer is 0. We'll move on to the next one. The next question. If the tangent at 3, minus 4 to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 curves the circle x square plus y square minus 16x plus 2y plus 10 equal to 0 in A and B, then midpoint of chord is. So they are asking. So according to the question, draw the figure. If the tangent at 3, minus 4 to this circle. So this is the circle equation. First circle. Tangent equation. At which point? 3, minus 4. x1, y1. First circle. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So here G equal to minus 2, F equal to 1, C equal to minus 5. Compare with general equation of circle, dear students. This is tangent equation means S1 equal to 0 only, no? S1 xx1 plus yy1 plus G into x plus x1 minus plus F into y plus y1 plus C equal to 0. x1 y1 is 3, minus 4. Substitute here. x1 value 3 into x, 3x minus 4y. G value minus 2 into x plus 3. F value plus 1 into y minus 4. C value minus 5. Simplification. 3x minus 4y minus 2x minus 6 plus y minus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. So 3x minus 2x is x minus 4y plus y minus 3y minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 minus 15. This tangent cuts the circle in two different points A and B. So this is the another circle. It cuts in the two different points. So the center of the circle is here. For the second circle, x square plus y square minus 16x plus 2y plus 10 equal to 0. For this center, minus x coefficient by 2. So 8 minus y coefficient by 2. So midpoint of chord they are asking here. This one. Generally midpoint of chord means from this point to this point, foot of the perpendicular of this line. This line is what? This only. X minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. This is x1, y1. Foot of the perpendicular h comma k, that is midpoint of chord you can take and apply the formula, you will get it answer. But here, without wasting the valuable time in the competitive exams, among the options, this line, whichever the point is satisfying, that is our right answer, midpoint of the chord. So first option I am checking here, minus 6, minus 7 in place of x, minus 6, minus 3 to minus 7 plus 21 minus 15. Is it equal to 0 or not? 0. So it is satisfying means no need to check the other options. So first option is the right option. We'll move on to the next one. The next question is, the triangle PQR is inscribed in the circle x square plus y square equal to 25 if Q is 3, 4 and R is minus 4, 3. Then QPR angle equal to. So first draw the figure. Circle. Angle QPR. QR is given now. So here QR. Here Q you take it. Q is 3, 4. R minus 4, 3. Circle center 0, 0. Here C I am taking and P also there now. This P pointer. This angle they are asking. I think third question, fourth question I discussed. This angle they are asking. Angle QPR. Before that, what you have to do by, it's a very simple question. By seeing it will be difficult. Join like this. First find out the angle between these two. So how to calculate? 0, 0 is there now. Find out the slope of this one. Find out the slope of this one. If the tan theta you can apply, you will get the answer. So y2 minus y1, CQ slope. Slope CQ. Slope of CQ. M1 equal to 4 minus 0 by 3 minus 0, 4 by 3. Slope of CR. M2. Y2 minus y1. So 3 minus 0 by minus 4 minus 0. So minus 3 by 4. The product of these two M1 into M2 equal to minus 1 only, no? So 4 by 3 into minus 3 by 4. Whenever product of two slopes equal to minus 1, they are perpendicular lines. That means CP is perpendicular to CQ. CQ is perpendicular to CR. So angle between them is 90 degrees here. But they are not asking this angle. They are asking this angle. In the previous question we discussed that this is the segment. One of the properties also there. This is AB chord. This is the center. The angle at the center is theta. Then angle at the major sector is half of the angle, theta by 2. So here also, here 90 degrees means here 90 by 2. Means what? 45 degrees. So 45 degrees means pi by 4 only, no? That's the answer, pi by 4. We got it. So you can apply this formula. When the angle at major sector of the circle is theta, here it will be double. So here 90 degrees is there. So obviously half of the angle of this. So answer is pi by 4. Suppose if you don't want to go like this, even by observing the points also we can tell that. Dear students, observe these 2 points. 3, 4. R point is just interchange of these 2 and keep minus for the x coordinate. Whenever the points are like this, always perpendicular lines. Here we will get this situation. M1, M2 equal to minus 1. So M1, M2 equal to minus 1, this will be no. So M1, M2 equal to minus 1. When the lines is here, angle between them is 90 degrees. So obviously from here, half of the angle, 90 by 2, 45 degrees. So answer is pi by 4. The next question, dear students. A square is inscribed in a circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 8 equal to 0, whose diagonals are parallel to the axis and vertex in the first quadrant is A. Then OA. They are asking OA value. O means what? Origin. A value we need to calculate from the question. So what is the given circle? X square plus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 8 equal to 0. What is the center of the circle? Center C equal to minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2. So 1 comma minus 4. A square is inscribed in the circle. So this is the circle equation. A square is inscribed center is what we got? 1 comma minus 4. Whenever center is like this, so anyway 1 comma minus 4 is, it is belongs to fourth quadrant. So like this. This is the origin. Just a figure. Just I am drawing a figure. Coordinate axes are parallel to diagonals. Diagonal is there, no? Here this one. This is parallel to x-axis like this. Different x-axis we can take. These are the diagonals of a square. 1 comma minus 4. If we draw a line, x is equal to what? 1, no? So it is equal to x is equal to 1. So the point which lies on the circle, this point is A, this point is B, we can take it, dear students. A of x comma y. X value we got it as 1, no? So it will be 1 comma y. This A point is lying on this, no? It lies. So y value will come. So it will become 1 plus y square minus 2 plus 8y minus 8 equal to 0. So y square plus 8y minus 10 plus 1 minus 9 equal to 0. For minus 9, y square plus 9y minus y minus 9 equal to 0, factorization. Y into y plus 9 minus y plus 9 equal to 0. It's minus 1. So y plus 9 into y minus 1 equal to 0. So y minus 1 equal to 0, y plus 9 equal to 0, y is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 9. So y is equal to plus 1. So it will becomes a of 1 comma 1. B value, anyway x comma y. So b value 1 comma minus 9. But they mentioned here the vertex which is in the first quadrant. So 1 comma 1 which belongs to Q1 only, no. So a value we got it. So OA is equal to distance between this point and origin. O means what? Origin. And A value 1 comma 1. Distance between them. 1 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square. So root over 1 plus 1 which is equal to root 2. So the answer is root 2. I hope you understand, students. This is the way you can do that. There is no other option for this. We'll move on to the next question. That is the reason these type of questions are level 2. The next question. If two circles touching both the axes are passing through 2, 3, then length of common chord is. Observe, dear students, here. If two circles touching both the coordinate axes, that means two circles touching both the coordinate axes and passing through 2, 3, then the length of common chord. So observe carefully. Coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis, origin. So this is the small circle I am taking, touching both the coordinate axis now. First circle means I am taking here radius from here to here, it is R1. Even here also R1. So R1 comma R1 center, first circle. Touching second circle. So I am taking this way. So So this circle also touching both the coordinate axis means so R2 comma R2, some B you take, so not B, some center 2, center 1. So I am passing through this point only now. These two are intersecting here. This is B, this is A. A point we have 2 comma 3. So this after that join these two like this also. Sir, what is the advantage to draw like this? So separately I am drawing for understanding purpose, dear students. So this is the chord, no? Chord. This point 2 comma 3. This is A I am taking. This is B. So AB length they are asking. So D is midpoint. So from here OD is there, no? Like so this is C1, like C2. So O means origin. This is theta I am taking, dear students. This is theta. So from triangle O, here theta. From triangle O, here D you take it now. So from here to here, you take it as a D, this one. From here, from triangle, this is D point. This is the center. This is D point. Center is here. If you draw like this, from triangle ODA, AB is the chord, length of chord. Length of chord. So AD is equal to half of the length of chord. From here to here it is midpoint. D is the midpoint. D is midpoint of AB. So AD will becomes AB by 2. So that implies AB is equal to twice of the AD. So I want AD value from here. AD. So from triangle OAD, here this angle is theta I am taking now. This slope I want. So slope of OA. So from this tan theta equal to OA slope calculate first. Before that, slope of OA. This is O, this is A. How to calculate slope of the OA? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. M1 is equal to 3 minus 0 by 2 minus 0, that is 3 by 2. Next, slope of, here D I am taking, C1 is here center. R1 comma R1. So OD. So D point we don't know, but we can extend like this. OC1 slope we can calculate now. OD or OC1. M2 equal to R1 minus 0 by R1 minus 0. So R1 by R1 which is equal to 1. Two slopes we know that angle between them is theta. So tan theta equal to M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2, dear students. So tan theta equal to M1 value 3 by 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 3 by 2 into 1. So this is 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, 1 by 5. Sin tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta only, no? Equal to 1 by 5. So from the figure here theta, tan theta definition, we got it 1 by 5. So opposite by adjacent side. So obviously it will be root 6, root 26, 5 square plus 1 square. From this sin theta calculate separately. What is the need to calculate sin theta? I will tell you here. Opposite by hypotenuse, 1 by root 26. Come to here. I want to get the value of AD only, no? AD from here to here. AD value. This is the triangle. This separately we have taken now. This AD I want. This is the D point now. D point. So again from ODA sin theta equal to opposite by, that means AD by hypotenuse OA. That implies sin theta value 1 by root 26 is equal to AD. AD means AD only. By OA. OA value is how much? Distance between these two. OA. So root 3 square plus 2 square. So 9 plus 4, 13. So from this, root 13 I am taking here. Root 13 by root 26 is equal to AD. Root 13 by root 26 means root of 13 into 2 is equal to AD. So root 13 by root 13 into root 2. 1 by root 2 we got it. So AD is equal to 1 by root 2. So AD is equal to here, AB is equal to 2AD now. So the length of chord AB is equal to 2 times of AD. So 2 times of 1 by root 2. So root 2 times will be cancelled. So the length is root 2. It is there in the first option. It is a level 3, level 2 questions, dear students. Slowly we can understand. By number of concepts we need to apply, not only circles but also first year concepts of tan theta and the trigonometry concepts. So, according to the question, you draw the figure is only great, first thing. After that, you can understand that from that different formulas of trigonometry and straight lines we can apply and get it answer. We'll move on to the next one. The next question. If the circles x square plus y square equal to 2 and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus lambda equal to 0 have exactly 3 real common tangents, then lambda equal to. See here, exactly 3 real common tangents are possible when the situation is the circles. In the relative position of circles, in the playlist you can go, dear students, you will get it. So when the two circles touch each other externally, so this is one common tangent now. This is another common tangent. So this is also another common tangent. So 3 common tangents are there. Whenever exactly 3 real common tangents are possible, distance between their centers is equal to sum of the radii C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2 for this condition. Whenever the given circles having exactly 3 real common tangents, the two circles touch each other externally. So C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2. So from the first circle, C1 is equal to center 0, 0. Radius R1 is equal to root 2. Root 2 whole square you can write. From the second circle, C2 equal to center 2, 2, R2 square root of 2 square plus 2 square minus C. C minus lambda will come. So that is equal to root 8 minus lambda. After that, C1, C2, distance between them, root over 0 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. R1 value root 2. R2 value root 8 minus lambda. So root 8 minus root 2 is equal to root 8 minus lambda. So root 8 means what? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 equal to root 8 minus lambda. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. Root 2 is equal to root 8 minus lambda. Squaring on both sides. 2 equal to 8 minus lambda. Minus lambda we can take this side. Plus lambda equal to 8 minus 2. So lambda equal to 6. So therefore, the lambda value is equal to 6, which is there in the second option. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. Yeah, the next question. If minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is the center of similitude for the circles x square plus y square equal to 1 and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y minus 6 equal to 0. Then the length of common tangent. But here length of common tangent is given, but whether it is direct common tangent or transverse common tangent, they did not mention. But indirectly it is given hint. Minus 1 by 3 comma minus 1 is the center of similitude, whether it is internal center of similitude or external center of similitude. So by calculating the values of C1, C2, R1, R2, we can say that this is the first circle now. C1 equal to 0 comma 0, R1 equal to 1, C2 equal to 1 comma 3, R2 equal to square root of 1 plus 9 minus of minus 6, root 16, that is equal to 4, x1, y1, x2, y2. So first I am calculating ICS. Suppose if ICS is equal to this one, internal center of similitude for transverse common tangent will come. So calculating ICS, internal center of similitude, R1x2 plus R2x1 by R1 plus R2, R1y2 plus R2y1 by R1 plus R2. Substitute the respective values here. So R1x2, R1 into x2 plus R2x1, 4 into 0 by R1 plus R2, 1 plus 4, 5. So 1 by 5 we are not getting. So no need to go for this. ECS, external center of similitude, same but minus. R1x2 minus R2x1 by R1 minus R2. R1y2 minus R2y1 by R1 minus R2. So R1x2 minus R2x1 0 by R1 minus R2, 1 minus 3, minus 3. So minus 1 by 3 we are getting here. So R2, we will check that. R1y2, 1 into 3 minus R2, 4 into 0 by minus 3. So which is equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Whenever it is external center of similitude, they are asking indirectly direct common tangent length. Direct common tangent length. Common tangent. Length of direct common tangents. The formula is root over d square plus direct common tangent, no, R1 minus R2 whole square. So first, what is d? D is distance between their centers. Root over 1 minus 0 whole square, 1, root 3 whole square is 9, root 10. So d value. So d square is equal to 10 only, no? Next, R1 minus R2, 1 minus 4. So root 10 plus R1 minus R2, 1 minus 4 whole square. So 1 minus, sorry, here it is minus, dear students. Minus R1 minus R2 means 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 minus 9. 1 minus 4 means minus 3. Minus 3 whole square 9. So root 1, that is equal to 1. It is there in this. Length of direct common tangent formula, root of d square minus R1 minus R2. Hint I am giving for another question if it is. This is other than this concept. Length of transverse common tangent. Length of transverse common tangent. Root over d square minus R1 plus R2 whole square, dear students. That is the difference you remember. For length of direct common tangent, d square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. Transverse common tangent, d square minus R1 plus R2 whole square. Transverse means plus. Direct means minus. You remember. We'll move on to the next question. Yeah, the next question and last question in this session. Now the time is too much. So, the common tangents to the circles x square plus y square plus 2x equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 6x equal to 0 forms. It's an absolutely good question conceptually. So first, the common tangents they are saying now, but we don't know how it is, what type of common tangents will come. First circle you take it x square plus y square plus 2x equal to 0. So center C1 is equal to minus x coefficient by 2, y coefficient by 2, so minus 1 comma 0. So second circle x square plus y square minus 6x equal to 0. Second circle C2, center minus x coefficient by 2 means 3 comma 0 will come. R1 is equal to 1, R2 is equal to 3. Root of x, g square plus f square minus c, g square plus f square minus c. So by observing C1, C2 equal to root over 16, that is equal to 4. R1 plus R2 also 4. So the circle touch each other externally. So the figure will come like this, dear students. So this is the first circle, radius is 1. Touch each other externally. So the circle. So this is C1, radius is 1. C2, radius is 3. So here 3 comma 0, here minus 1 comma 0. 1 common tangent. This is 1 common tangent, dear students. Here. Another one. So we can draw like this. Just a figure. After that, here, like this. From here to here it is radius only, no? From here to here it is radius. Like this, triangle will come here. It is angle is theta. Observe it, dear students, carefully. This is E, this is B, this is some A, you take it like this. And here C2, C1 we have taken. This is some point, what we can take. Anything you can take. These values. From here to here, dear students, total is 3 now. From here to here, 3. From here to here it is 1 unit. So from here to here it is 1. From here to here it is total is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 units, so you know from here to here. So this I am taking as D. This I am taking as F, this point. So from here to here it is 3 units. Sorry, 1 unit only. So the rest is 2. Just a figure. From triangle EDF, sin theta equal to opposite DF by hypotenuse ED. ED is equal to distance between centers only now. C1, C2 is what? 4. DF means 2 units. ED means ED is equal to C1, C2. So 2 by 4 which is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta when it will be equal to 1 by 2? 30 degrees. So sin theta equal to 1 by 2, that implies theta equal to 30 degrees or pi by 6. This value we got it here. This angle is we got it now, but here forming A, B, C. This one is C now. This is C1, C2. A, B, C. So now I am considering here the angle is here theta is there is here total theta plus theta. So 2 theta. Angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to 2 theta. So 2 times of theta value pi by 6, which is equal to pi by 3. So angle A is equal to, we got it pi by 3. So that means 60 degrees, dear students. So angle A, this is BAC, no? So this angle is equal to 60 degrees. Now, from here and here, to get an angle here, this is 2 theta, we got it now. This angle we got it as theta. Theta is 30 degrees here. Here 2 theta. Here this angle. This is 90 degrees now. 90. Here it is 30. 90 plus 30, 120. So the remaining B is, angle B is equal to, observe carefully. So here it is 90 degrees now. So angle B is equal to from here 90 plus 30. Here angle B is equal to 90 degrees minus, this is 90 minus this value 30 degrees. So pi by 2 minus pi by 6, that is equal to pi by 3. So angle B also we got it as pi by 3. What about C angle? This C angle I wanted, even this also. AB values we got it, means C will come now. 180 degrees minus angle A plus angle B. So 180 means pi minus pi by 3 plus pi by 3. So pi minus 2 pi by 3, 3 pi. So pi by 3. So all angles are equal. So angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C is equal to pi by 3. Therefore triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. I hope you understand this, students. I have taken 3 times to make a 2.5 video, 2 hours video approximately. Why? Because much time it is taking. I want to explain that clearly that and I want to rub this board and everything it will be take minimum. Within the days, if you want to complete, it will take time to do that. Now the time is 12:35 night. So that is the reason, because of students requesting I am doing this video. For every 2 days I will make it this for your convenience. Please do understand that I have classes in the college as well, some personal works are there. I hope you understand. But 100% from my side I will give my best. Thank you all. Signing off. Maths with Panindra. Jai Hind.